Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm back. Okay, so this is our third video for this chapter. Okay, so we continue about the determinacy. Okay, so we proceed with the stability and determinacy of truss. Okay, so previously kita dah cover tentang determinacy of beam and rigid frame in the previous video. Okay, so in this video we continue about the determinacy of the trusses. Okay, so we already know that truss is essentially a triangle system, which is the straight member interconnected with the other member. So the individual elements are connected at node, and the connection are often assumed to be pin. So the external forces applied to the system and the reaction at the support are generally applied at nodes. And when all the member and applied force are in same plane, the system is called as a plane or 2D truss. Okay, so the principal forces in each element in a truss is axial tension or compression. So tadi early in this chapter I already discussed about how the tension and compression structure. Okay, so a truss is considered a statically determinate if all its support reaction and force member can be calculated, sama juga conditionnya, by only using the static of equilibrium equation. So in the other hand, if the member forces and reaction cannot be solved by using the static equilibrium equation, so that truss is called as indeterminate trusses or redundant trusses. Okay, so sama konsep. Kalau kita tak boleh solve using the static equation, so kita consider dia sebagai indeterminate trusses. Okay, tapi equation dia berbeza dengan yang tadi, which is yang tadi adalah untuk determinasi of beam, kita just pakai R dengan N. Okay, so for the determinacy of truss, kita akan gunakan M plus R and J, 2J. Okay, so this is the equation, which is M adalah number of element. R, sama macam tadi, adalah number of external reaction. Okay, so J here adalah dia punya joint. Number of joint. So if less than 2J, we become unstable trusses. Equal to J, this is statically determinate truss, and greater than 2J is statically indeterminate truss. Okay. Okay. So this is the unstable truss. Okay, when the expression M plus R is less than 2J. Okay, so kat sini kita tengok this is pin and this is roller. So pin akan ada 2 reaction and this one will become 1 reaction. So R here is 3, 2 plus 1. So M kat sini 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so join 1, 2, 3, 4. So by using this equation, so kita akan determine M plus R. So M4 plus R 3. So here will become 7. 2 times join ada 4. So 8. So they become unstable trusses. Okay, so dari segi dia adalah external instability ataupun internal stability. Itu adalah, kalau external maksudnya dia dari segi reaction kat luar. Okay, So saya cakap external ni adalah luar. Dia tak stabil dari luar. So kalau kat sini kita tengok dia ada pin dan juga roller. So unstable concurrent reaction. So dia jadi stable. Dia tidak stable dari segi reaction, number of reaction ataupun support dia. Okay, kalau internal pula dia tidak stable disebabkan kurangnya element ataupun kurangnya triangle truss. Sepatutnya ada connection between C and F ataupun E dan B. So this one will become internal instability. So bear in mind, kalau internal tu maksudnya dalaman. Dalaman maksudnya truss kat dalam ni lah. Kalau external tu maksudnya dia adalah luaran. So dia berkaitan dengan support reaction. Okay. Let's see this example. So this one will have, this one is the pin. So pin will have 2 reaction and this one also pin support 2 reaction. So kita tahu 2 campur 2 adalah 4. So R become 4. Okay. So kita kira pula number of members dia berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So M adalah 15. 15 number of member. Then we need to calculate number of join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Ini adalah bentuk truss. Yang ini actual truss. This one is the idealized truss. So sini R dia 2, R dia 2. So total R is 4. So kita substitute dalam equation. M plus R is 19. 2J is 18. So by using this equation, it shows that this is the indeterminate truss. So sama juga dengan kalau kita cari determinacy of the beam ataupun rigid frame. Degree of determinacy dia adalah beza antara M plus R and 2J. So this have 1 degree of determinacy. Okay. And for this example, so kalau kat sini kita tengok dia adalah pin. So pin will have 2 reaction and this one have a roller reaction. So roller akan ada 1 reaction. So R dia adalah 2 campur dengan 1. R equal to 3. Okay. So number of member. So we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 member. Okay. And join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So join is 8. Then by using this equation, so it shows the unstable truss. So the truss is internally unstable. The member need to complete the triangle internally so that it become a stable. But this one will be teach in the other chapter. So yang penting sekarang kena tahu ada 2 type of stability and determinacy. Satu ada, bukan 2. Satunya adalah untuk beam and rigid frame pakai equation lain. And for the determinacy of trusses pakai another equation. Tapi konsepnya adalah sama. Okay. So I think that's all for this chapter. Alright, try to figure all these things. InsyaAllah saya akan ada supported video for the calculation later. Okay, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.